So today is a very special get ready with me. I'm going to be Deepika Padukone for a theme party. And let's do the makeup for now. Let's put some moisturizer first. It's an oil, mustard oil, and it gives an instant glow to the face. Let's start. So we are going to put the concealer first, and but before that I'm going to put orange corrector. I think I'm already glowing. What do you think? Okay, so Deepika, her makeup is very subtle, and I also do a very subtle makeup. See, interesting. But I will have to make a dimple on my cheek this way. Let's see how I do that. I'm going to keep it very natural and a little brownish. I'm now going to put the setting powder to set concealer and foundation. I'm going to now put some blush so that it settles, and we're using Sugar Cosmetics mini blush. Along with this, we are also going to put some highlighter. For the highlighter, I will be using Rare Beauty's Flaunt because I want to flaunt. See, this I'm just going to do it with hand. This little bit tapping. Okay, let's start the eye makeup, which is very important, but Deepika only does smoky eye. So, I mean, I've always seen her in smoky eye. So I am going to use Revolution's palette. This has a lot of nice colors. I'm going to start with Moments first for the base. Wait, I forgot to put tape. Let me come back. Okay, I'm back. Smoky eye. We are going to use Connect and put it here on the ends. Next, we are going to take some black eyeliner and eyeline and put some here. Sorry, this is eyeshadow. Okay, so this is done. A little bit more brown on the eyelids because I want a little bit more effect, more smoky effect. Just blending it through. And the final touch would be a little bit of glitter. Just taking effect and starting from the inner corner, blending it towards the center and not till the outer corner. Yeah, lower lash line. I'm taking touch because I don't want to do a black here because I'm going to put kajal. Okay. Next, Affinity from this palette, and just going to do a little inner corners like this. Let me quickly curl the lashes. I've curled the lashes and I'm going to put the mascara fatafat because I've got to leave. Kajal fatafat.
I'm wearing this or the black shirt?
मैं सोचा ये बेटर रहेगा. I need to put some eyeliner. Or no? Do we need eyeliner? I don't think so. This is looking as it is. Very nice, yeah. Let's not put eyeliner. Done. I'm going to put lipstick now and do a little bit of my eyebrows. I'll just take a little bit of eyeliner like this. Kajal. Oh shit. Yep, I will blend it. Don't worry, give me some time. Let's put nude lipstick. That's my Deepika touch. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, bye.